Guys, so this is the issue I've been having for about a week. Every single time I press the volume up or down on my iPhone, this is what I get. As you can see, there's absolutely no gauge, no nothing whenever I press the up or down, and there's absolutely no iPhone sound going on at all, like the lock or unlock sound or anything. So if I press the lock button and then I unlock it, no sound at all. But something weird, if I mute it and I unmute it, you're gonna see this volume. So when somebody calls me, I get some music, but whenever I receive a text, there's nothing. And yeah, that's it. So anybody knows what I can do about that? Please help me out.